Ever seen people in their soft, matte fabric yoga pants? Or seen people bend into positions that you have wondering what they might be benefiting from yoga, or believing that you'd never be flexible enough? Yoga is a mind and body practice with a 5,000-year history in ancient Indian philosophy, which combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation or relaxation. Now it's a popular form of exercise and meditation. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We put out lots of helpful videos like this one, and hit that notification bell to be notified first about our latest videos. Now keep watching to learn how yoga can change your life. As it happens, science is starting to provide some concrete clues as to how yoga works to improve health, heal aches and pains, and keep sickness at bay. Studies have shown that yoga can decrease the secretion of cortisol, the primary stress hormone, which in turn can improve your overall health. Just about anyone can do it. It's not just for people who can touch their toes or want to meditate. Wherever you are, and whatever you're doing, it's easy to squeeze in just 15 minutes of yoga practice a day, as this could transform your mood and your health in more ways than you could imagine. Once you understand them, you'll have more motivation to give it a try and won't find it difficult telling a newbie about the benefits of yoga, with explanations like it increases the flow of prana or it brings energy up your spine, falling on deaf or skeptical ears. And you won't feel so tongue-tied if someone wants to know what the benefits are. To tell you the basic life-changing benefits yoga can have on you, we put together 12 benefits of yoga that you should know. Number 1. Improves flexibility and mobility. Improved flexibility is one of the first and most obvious benefits of yoga. If you're trying out yoga for the first time, some people probably won't be able to touch their toes. But if you stick with it, you'll notice a gradual loosening, and eventually seemingly impossible poses will become possible. Probably noticing that aches and pains will start to disappear. Yoga poses work by stretching your muscles. The beauty of yoga is that it can be practiced at any level of ability. A few minutes a day practicing poses like the warrior or the downward-facing dog will soon make you really feel the difference in your flexibility, whether you're pretty bendy already or not. They can help you move better and feel less stiff or tired. At any level of yoga, you'll probably start to notice benefits soon. In one study, people improved their flexibility by up to 35% after only 8 weeks of yoga. Number 2. Builds your strength. When thinking of improving your fitness, most of us think of a workout where you bend, flex in insane positions, huffing and puffing away at the gym. But weights are not the only way to work out. Daily yoga practice will help stretch and tone your body muscles. Popular poses, like the plank, simultaneously work on strengthening your arms, legs, shoulders, and abs. Number 3. Get better posture from yoga. When you're stronger and more flexible, your posture improves. Most standing and sitting poses in yoga develop core strength, since you need your core muscles to support and maintain each pose. With a stronger core, you're more likely to walk taller, sit up straighter at your desk, and improve your balance with postures like the tree pose. Yoga also helps your body awareness. That helps you notice more quickly if you're slouching or slumping, so you can get better posture, alleviating aches and pains caused by incorrect body postures such as back pain. Number 4. Lessen your stress and be calmer. Yoga is an amazing stress buster. You may feel less stressed and more relaxed after doing some yoga. Yoga practice, even a short daily one, should be made up of 3 elements: poses, breathing, and meditation. Some yoga styles use meditation techniques that help calm the mind. Focusing on your breathing during yoga can do that too, helping you stay calm in emergency situations, think clearer in stressful situations, and they can help reduce pain. From a place of peace and calm, we are able to use our mental facilities more efficiently when we clear our minds and refresh. Overall, by reducing mental stress and physical tension through daily yoga, you'll be able to think sharper and have more organized thoughts. Yoga has become more widely accepted as many workplaces now offer lunchtime yoga sessions. Number 5. It is good for your heart. Yoga is known to lower blood pressure and slow the heart rate. A slower heart rate can benefit people with high blood pressure or heart disease, and people who have had a stroke. Yoga breathing techniques called pranayama helps you focus on trying to slow down breathing and by breathing fully from the pit of your stomach to the top of your lungs, further increasing lung capacity and more tidal volume, i.e. the amount of air your lungs can hold at any one time. Studies have shown that people who regularly practice poses, breathing, and meditation are better able to regulate their heart rate variability, HRV. This generally means that their heart rate is lower, giving their body the ability to respond to stress more flexibly. Yoga has also been linked to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels and better immune system function. Now, it's time for a quick benefits of basic quiz to get you thinking. How many continents are there? Leave your answer in the comments section below. Number 6. Helps you in weight loss. Yoga gives you all that a gym can, but in a peaceful, safe, and more holistic way. You don't have to practice hot yoga or be able to bend double in a yoga pose to lose weight. It combines aspects of cardio, functional, and strength training all in one. What more could you ask for? An everyday gentle yoga practice will fuel the metabolic system and will help burn fat, leading to weight loss. Daily yoga can also help restore the hormonal balance in your body, which can normalize your body weight. The best part about this workout is that it can be done at your own pace in your own home. Number 7. Cultivate self-awareness. Levels of cortisol, the hormone that is released in response to stress, will be lowered when engaging in yoga, leading to less overeating. Daily yoga also strengthens the overall mind-body connection and helps you deal more effectively with unpleasant emotions rather than reaching for food to suppress those feelings. Number 8. Increases energy. Another benefit of yoga is that much-needed energy boost in our busy lives that it provides to help keep us fresh for longer. Yoga, with its unique synergy of body and breath work, is perfect for when your reserves are running low. Daily yoga practice will awaken the main energy centers, called chakras, in your body. Great poses for extra energy are those that extend the spine, such as tree pose, allowing energy to circulate through the whole body, and poses that open the chest, like the cobra pose, encouraging the intake of more breath. Number 9. Helps you sleep better. Are you coping with so much stress that it's keeping you awake at night? Studies have shown that practicing daily yoga can reduce insomnia. When experiencing insomnia, practice relaxing asanas or postures such as forward fold, uttanasana, or laying on your back with your feet up on the wall can calm both your body and mind. Number 10. Improves concentration. Yoga poses and meditation require you to concentrate on your breathing. This process of observing your breath calms your mind and makes you more mentally relaxed. As a result of this mental stability, you'll be able to recollect and retain more information, improving greatly retention while studying or focus while working. Meditation for just a few minutes in the morning can result in better concentration throughout the day. Number 11. Be happier. A recent study has shown that practicing regular yoga and meditation results in higher serotonin levels, which are the happiness hormone. The same study showed that long-term yoga practitioners have more mass in the areas of the brain associated with contentment. Another study has shown that the brain's gamma-aminobutyric GABA levels are higher after practicing yoga. Higher GABA levels are associated with lower levels of depression and anxiety. To put it simply, just 15 minutes of yoga a day can start changing your brain chemistry and improving your mood. Number 12. Live longer. As said already, the benefits of yoga practice every day include increasing your levels of fitness, regulating your heart rate, reducing stress levels, and making you a happier person. All those elements may add valuable years to your life. It's also known that yoga decreases the risk of heart disease and it reduces the pace of your breathing, which has been directly linked to longer lifespan. Recent studies have shown that meditation element of yoga might help delay the process of aging. We've given you the basic benefits of yoga. We invite you to give it a try and get more out of your life. We'd love to hear about your experience. Do you know more amazing benefits of yoga? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. It would really be appreciated, as we post videos on how to greatly benefit from your everyday activities. This is Benefits of Basic, and we'll catch you on the next one.